Welcome to Ambitech's Interactive Flat Panel Introduction. After system upgrade, we have Reset Factory. In Reset Factory, after clicking, the system will clear all files and restore the factory settings. After improvement comes About. You can view the system name, Android version, kernel version, version number, and other information on this interface. Let's start with the whiteboard. Click the whiteboard icon on the main interface. You can start the whiteboard software. The default whiteboard brush tool is selected and you can write directly. Supports single touch mode and multi-touch mode with up to 20 points of touch support. After opening the whiteboard, you can see the very first icon on the lower left corner of the interface, that is menu. Click the button menu, pop up and display the contents of the lower menu. In the menu, the very first option you can see is New. Click New. A new whiteboard file will be created. Existing whiteboard content will be prompted whether to save. Click OK. Change the file name and the file will be saved to the system as storage or notes. The newly created whiteboard page is then displayed. After New comes Open. Click Open. Open the file under the directory where the whiteboard file is saved. The default path directory can be local file or notes. Click the file to open it directly and you can perform editing, saving and other functional operations again. After Open comes Save and Save As. Click Save, Save As, the content currently being written. The default system naming method is to save it. Users can customize the name to save it. Users can customize a location for saving the whiteboard files. That can be in local files or USB flash drives. Thank you for watching our video. Do visit our online store, that is store.ambitechsolutions.com.